How to make money with ChatGPT in 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be discussing on how you can use ChatGPT to easily make money in 2023. Okay, it's going to be really simple and it's going to be really great stuff to actually learn from. Okay, and I do recommend to fully watch this video till the end because this video is actually going to help you a lot when it comes to making money. Okay. And obviously, a lot of people, like probably the whole world right now, wants to make money. A lot of people just want to sit in the warmth of their home and, just be capable enough to make money from just like sitting in their room using their devices. Okay. I understand. I want that too. A lot of people want money. Like everyone wants money. So basically, we're going to be asking ChatGPT to, make our lives easier and actually tell us all the great ways that we actually can make money. Okay. And it's going to be really simple. It's going to be really fun and informational and really easy to get to. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to fully learn and understand all the details on how you can actually access ChatGPT to and actually ask ChatGPT to tell you all these great things about making money. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay. So to start things off, let's ask the big question: how can I make money in 2023 using AI? Okay. In 2023, there are several ways. So obviously, it's going to give you all these things. So what you're going to do is you're going to change this reply using Chat GPT. Ask Chat GPT something about itself. So obviously, it's going to process your actual question. It might take a few seconds because ChatGPT is not actually asked a lot of questions about itself. So here we go. However, please note that the success and profitability depends on various factors. So first of all, you can do content creation using ChatGPT, and that is absolutely correct. Content creation has never been easier since the release of AI because there's like so many AIs now. AIs for everything. So first of all, you know, making thumbnails and stuff for your videos was pretty hefty because you'd have to go in Photoshop and create a whole thumbnail and everything. But don't worry because now you just have like stuff like Mid-Journey or Dolly because all you need to do is just put in a few prompts and you have a thumbnail right in front of you in like the matter of seconds. Then moving on, you have, those audio AIs that voice.ai, that you can use to basically voice anything. You could write the longest speech and it's going to voice it for you. So that could be your voiceover for the video. Then, there's animated avatar AIs that's, just going to act as the character that is in the video. So, you know, since the release of AI, you can just yeah, easily have good content creation stuff going on. Now, moving on, you can also, like, obviously over here, you can see stuff like in content creation, you can use ChatGPT to give you a script. It can actually give you ideas. It can give you much more things. So, if I were to write, can you give me an idea for a YouTube video about, let's say, Street Fighter. And it's, as you can see, top 10 legendary Street Fighters of all time. And look at that. It actually gives you the whole thing. Okay. It gives you the whole like output, it gives you the introduction, and it's really great stuff. So, from their signature moves to their unique fighting styles, we'll dive into the stories behind these formidable fighters and their rise to fame, etc., etc. So, as you can see, content creation is a great suite to use when using ChatGPT. Then, moving on, virtual assistant. Position yourself as a virtual assistant and use ChatGPT to handle administrative tasks, manage calendars, respond to emails, provide customer support. This can be done remotely. Now, this is not the most popular, but this can be used and it would be a good addition when it comes to using ChatGPT to make money. Now, this is the big boy because Language translation. Utilize ChatGPT's language capabilities to offer translation services. Many business and individuals require translation assistance, and you can leverage the model to aid in accurate and efficient translations. Okay, so ChatGPT basically allows you to add any type of language. So let's say I'm gonna write a phrase. Okay, I am happy today. I'm gonna write translate this to, let's say, Scandinavian. Okay, Scandinavian is a quite a weird language, so let's translate it to that. Please let me know which one do you prefer. Let's go with Norwegian. Okay, let's ask it to translate in Norwegian, and look at that. So I am very happy today. Translated to, whatever this it's pronounced as. So you get the whole point of it. So you can use language translation, and there's also like gigs on Fiverr and stuff that allow you to, actually write stuff like they're gonna ask you to translate stuff for them, and they're actually gonna pay you for it, which is actually pretty cool. Then there's chatbot development, develop and deploy chatbots, and you can use ChatGPT's very own API to do that, which is also pretty cool. There's online tutoring. Use ChatGPT to help you in offering online tutoring services. You can specialize in various subjects. And yeah, that is true. But obviously, online tutoring is a bit more on the teaching side, and I personally won't go there. Creative writing and storytelling. Yeah, that's a pretty good tip because you can, in places like blogger.com or, Wattpad, you can actually create stories and blogs and articles, and you can actually get paid for that stuff, which is also pretty good. And one more thing that I forgot to tell you in content creation, there's services on freelance websites like Fiverr and stuff where people actually ask you to, write some ad product descriptions or some type of essays and stuff. You can create all that using ChatGPT. So you can write let's say, write me a product description for let's say Jabulani. Jabulani was a football, so let's say I'm gonna ask it to write that. Experience soccer in its purest form. So as you can see, it's gonna tell us about the Jabulani and really great stuff. And then moving on, you can also ask it to, generate high quality articles, blog posts, social media captions, and much more. So you get the whole gist of it. And these are all the great ways that you can use ChatGPT to actually make money. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.